Unboxing the Tilta Pocket Follow Focus. Bought this at Glazer's Camera during their PhotoFest. Got our knife. Let's see what's in here. I'm ready to get our Okay, there it is out of the shipping box. This is the display box plus a nice plastic carrier. Got your little card for getting the information offline. Here it is. Let's see. I think it's comes with a follow focus unit, 4-inch 15mm. Your geared belt for your lenses that are not set up for cinema. And another clamp. This goes specifically on the Tilta cages, which I already have one. Okay, setting up the follow focus. Have the screw started. Little pin goes in there. Always start with hand tightening so you don't cross thread. Give it a little snug that up. Put the 15mm bar in, and let's tighten that down. Bring in the follow focus. Sure everything's set. Here goes and works. Has these stops. Little switch up here to make the stops work. Or if you don't want the stops to work, take the switch out. All in all, pretty nice.